For tonight, we have a gram of RSO Lemon G Sativa strain specific. We have by Kynd. We have the Kool Delight. Beautiful. We have Indica wedding Sherb. Indica DoSiDos. Compound Z. If you could find this, it's half apple bananas and I think half face off. This is, I think, my favorite strain. It's beautiful. So DoSiDos, wedding Sherb, Kynd, Kool Delight, Lemon G Sativa CBD RSO remedy with 40% THC. Compound Z, apple and bananas, plus I think face off OG. DoSiDos, you know what that is. Wedding Sherb. Beautiful. Enjoy tonight. These all put together. I've done them all before. These will all fit in 2 blunts, and this will all be consumed in 1 capsule. Have a good night, everyone.